The Association of Serbian-Cuban Friendship from Belgrade provides full support to all Cuban people and President Miguel Diaz in its efforts to combat subversive activities by mobilizing all Cuban society. It is quite clear that the intention of the new American administration is to further tighten diplomatic relations with Cuba, as well as to strengthen the blockade through various types of political, economic, financial, information propaganda, and various other forms of pressure on the Cuban Revolution. In addition, we plan to point out the importance of the Cuban struggle in the fight against the empire through video conferences, social networks, engagement of our members, leading intellectuals and artists, professors and academics, people in Serbia and abroad. It is especially important that we all understand that the Republic of Cuba has the right, like all countries in the world, to regulate its society. Since the beginning of disintegration of Yugoslavia, the Republic of Cuba and its legendary leader, Fidel Castro, have taken a firm and unwavering stance on preserving the state sovereignty of Serbia on the entire territory, including Kosovo and Metohija, and we are so grateful to them for that reason. After disintegration of Yugoslavia, in which the United States, the European Union, and the Vatican played a leading role, Serbia, together with other Balkan nations, went through a difficult and bloody civil war with great destruction, loss of hundreds of thousands of lives, and the general stagnation in economic, social, and cultural development. Our worst suffering at the end of Yugoslav crisis happened during the 78-day bombing of the Federal Republic of Yugoslavia by 19 Western countries, including the members of NATO. The Cuban Revolution has been a unique example in the world for decades and has been a model for freedom-loving individuals and peoples who are freeing themselves from colonialism and empire violence, especially in South America. The achievements of Cuban Revolution in the field of education, health, and social protection represent the best example of realization of humanistic principles, ideals, and the right of the free education and health and social protection. For that reason, in all countries of the world, support for the Cuban Revolution and its leadership is growing. We must all unite together in this fight. Not only Cuba was attacked. The imperialists want to conquer the whole freedom-loving world. We will not allow that. It is an honor for us to be a part of planetary movement that is fighting wholeheartedly and with a lot of energy and enthusiasm to lift the blockade of Cuba and defend the Cuban Revolution and Cuban people. You can count on our help in any time. Viva Cuba Libre, socialista, soberana y humana. Cuba vencerá.